If you've been thinking about learning how to invest properly, you probably want apps that are easy to use and actually teach you something valuable. So here are some great options. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. First, Investopedia Academy. Perfect for beginners. Covers everything from the basics to more advanced topics. Okay? Next, you got Stockpile. Check out Stockpile. Lets you buy small pieces of stocks while teaching you about the stock market. If you want to learn while saving, Acorns is awesome because it helps you invest your spare change. E-Trade also has a lot of educational videos and tools to help you understand the stock market better. Lastly, the Motley Fool provides expert advice, provides expert tips for making smart investments. I'll put these in the description. By using these apps, you're going to build your knowledge. You're going to feel confident about your financial future. So what are you waiting for? You know the power of compound interest, do you? You know that the more money you put over time grows faster and faster like a snowball? That's what I wish for you while I'm driving into these potholes. See you later. I love you. Leave me a like. Thanks.